In this lesson, guys, I will show you how to make simple snow effect in Maya. So first I need to create the emitter. So I will go to FX tab and then I will click on N particles and then I will click on create emitter option box here. And now I will go to edit and then reset the settings. I will maximize this window a little bit. And here I will change the emitter type from the omni to volume. Okay, and then I will click on create and I will click on the scale and scale the emitter a little bit, something like that. Okay, and I will move it up. Okay, let's scale it again, something like that. It's okay. And here I will click on this icon and make sure you have the playback speed to play every frame and the max playback speed to 24 frames per second. Okay, this one, and I will click save. So in this way Maya will run the playback with real time. So I will click on save, and if I hit play, now I see just points in the viewport. So I will click on the attribute editor. If you don't see this attribute editor, you just click here. Okay, so I will go to N particle shape 1 and I will scroll down until I see the shading tab, and here you see I have the particle render type, so I will choose it to cloud. Okay, and now the particles are cloud. As you see, I can scale them by going to particle size tab and I will set it about 0.4. okay, for that. And here, guys, you can set a random scale for all the particles by coming here in the radius scale input. I will set randomized ID. Okay, and if I increase this attribute, which is the radius scale randomize, now you see I have random size. Okay, so now if I hit play, now you see the particles falling down. Okay, you can increase the size, you can increase the amount of the particles by going to emitter tab, and here you see I have rate particle per second. Okay, so I will set, for example, to 300, and now if I rewind and play, now I have more particles. Okay, so let's add some turbulence. So I will select the N particle and then I will go to fields and solvers and I will click on turbulence option box and I will go to edit and reset the settings and I will click on create. Okay, so let's see. If I hit play, nothing happens because we need to increase the magnitude size. So I will set it, for example, to 50 to make the turbulence stronger. So let's play and see. And another thing, we need to change the attenuation to 0. So in this way the turbulence will affect all the scenes. Okay, now we have turbulence now. Okay, so if you, for example, say your camera is here, so you don't see all the particles falling down, right? So you don't have to simulate that. So what we can do, I can select the emitter and the N particle, and I will go to N particle shape 1, and here in the lifespan I don't want them to live forever. Okay, because I don't see them, I don't see these particles, so there is no need to stay in the scene, right? So I will click on constant and I will change it, for example, to 2 seconds. So now the particles will live for 2 seconds. So now I will hit play. Okay, so I think we need to increase it to 4. Okay, it's great, right? So now I can select the emitter and scale it something like that. Okay, so now let's play and see again. So now we have the snow effect. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed in this video, guys.